challenge is called Enumerable Magic number 3. Does my list include this? Create a method that accepts a list and an item and returns true if the item belongs to the list, otherwise false. And you are well equipped for this challenge. We've used something like this in the past. Hopefully you've been following along. And if so, this is probably a fastball right over the plate for you. Go ahead, give it a shot, and then we'll come back for the quick solution. You could, of course, make a for loop and go through checking each element in turn if it matches item, but we can do something simpler, at least in terms of typing. And I'll bring in the LINQ namespace, as you know. And then hopefully you came up with array contains item. And of course we have to return that. Hopefully you recall. If not, you can go ahead and look at the enumerable contains method. It determines whether a sequence contains a specified element. And so that's perfect for our purposes. Should be an example in here. See, fruits contains fruit. And the fruits array, which happens to be strings, it does have mango. So yeah, pretty simple. I guess the other thing that you might be wondering about is, yeah, well, how was I supposed to know that an integer array is enumerable? And if you look up the array class, you'll see the classes that it implements, what it derives from. And because it implements this IEnumerable interface, that means it is enumerable, and you can use any of these enumerable methods on it. So that's a quick refresher. We're getting past the point where I'm going to walk through the docs all the time, but every now and then we'll do it in case that's still helpful. And I don't know at what point people are coming into the series at. So yeah, not much else to say there. Array contains. Hopefully you start to think in terms of these building blocks that you have. The problem when you start, of course, is that you don't even know what your building blocks are. And so hopefully you're building up an arsenal of these. You know stuff. You can think in terms of these. So yeah, good practice. Hit me up with questions. Otherwise, we'll keep moving. Thanks for watching.